Hey guys, this is my custom bike check 2013. Start off with the grips. Got Colt Van grips, red. Got Odyssey Ponds black. Shadow Voltus bars 8.5 white. Got an Eastern Decepticon stem, pretty nice for an Eastern product. Got the little cutout. Got Demolition Elite forks, red. Got Demolition Machete tire, 2.25 red wall. Got black and red Primo spokes. It's like, and I got a couple silver spokes with snapped. And it's like that. And then I got the black Odyssey Vandero 2 front hub. Got just a Eastern Classic black peg. Then I got the hoop is a Stolen Revolver white. I got, I forgot the headset. Eastern headset, red. Got a 20.5 Fit Inman 2 frame. We got red twist PCs, just got those today. Got Stolen Mob cranks, sandblasted. Look pretty good. I got a Shadow Scream sprocket, 25 tooth white. Mechanic halfling chain red. Red seat clamp. Got a kink white seat post. Got an animal fat seat white, pretty nice, $10, so worth it. Got Demolition Machete red wall 2.25, same with the front. Got white Primo spokes, Odyssey V3 hub with a checker little thing, keep it clean. Got a Shadow hub guard. And got an Eastern Classic peg in the back. It's got stickers right there. I'll do a hub sound really quick. Let me just put that down. Yep, that's my hub check. It's a little out of true. Gotta get that trued. So yep, that's my bike check. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Thanks, bye.